Right chaps, good morning. We are back to Oldershot today, and as you can see, car is fixed, panel gaps are alright, 3-meter rule applies. If you haven't seen what happened to the car, check this video out. Make sure you watch this video as well, it was full of action there at Birmingham Wheels. And now back to the Oldershot. You're gonna laugh chaps, it took me 20 minutes to unload. And we are ready. So, let's go. It's crazy guys, I am only like 2 hours in, even less than that, maybe an hour and a half, and I already used nearly half of my tank. That's crazy. of the day.
Yeah, well manoeuvred out of the way though. You could have recovered it if you weren't worried about people behind, I think.
We're so lucky today that there is no sun, otherwise it would be unbearable. That was really intense, really intense. Seat time city. As LTD promised, seat time city, unbelievable. Right guys, who don't know, I'm running the Mazda MX5 or Mazda Miata Turbo. Currently I'm running only 5 psi because it's a wet day out, and when it's wet you don't really need more than 5, it's more than enough. 5 psi is about 160, 170 horsepower. Maybe a little bit more than that, but when it's dry I'm running the 9 psi. Sometimes it's overboost to 12, but I think it's been mapped to 9 psi, and when it's 9 psi it's about 200 horsepower, maybe a little bit more again. So I do have a video on this channel where I'm explaining what spec I'm running. However, it's on the Russian language, so nobody of you are gonna watch it. So my plan is to shoot another video in English where I will cover every single part in this car together with the costs. If this is a good idea, thumbs up please. It's getting a little bit boring because I don't have my mates on track with me, so it's a bit boring. I don't want to really go close to other cars because I don't know them, just trying to respect them all. And I may call it a day actually, but this day was still so good. Right ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. This was really awesome day once again, so thank you for watching and see you next time.